Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening File Explorer and turning on Hidden Items because the Minecraft folder is hidden by default. Type %appdata% into the address bar and press Enter. This jumps directly to roaming. Once there, open the Minecraft folder. That is the container for saves, resource packs, and runtime files. Make sure to check which launcher profile you used, since a custom launcher can change the active folder. If you need to, close and reopen the launcher so files are written properly. Once inside Minecraft, inspect the Runtime and Libraries folders to find the Java runtime and mod libraries. Open launcher profiles, JSON or launcher mappings with Notepad to verify which Java executable and game version the launcher points to. This explains where the Java binary lives and which version runs the game. Then open the Versions folder, pick the version you run, and examine its jar and JSON files. Those are the actual Java artifacts. Make sure file extensions are visible so you can spot. Now extract or inspect the jar files with a zip tool like 7-zip because jar is just a zip containing class files and resources. You can view or extract contents without running anything. This is how you access Java files for debugging or modding. Before changing anything, copy the original jar to a backup folder so you can restore the game quickly. If files are missing, make sure your launcher uses the default folder path. Otherwise, reinstall or reset the launcher to recreate the Java artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.